Let's set up a CentOS 7 VM in Oracle VirtualBox. We'll choose x86-64. First one, it doesn't really matter. Installing off the network is about 600 megabytes. Minimal is about a gigabyte. The DVD is about 4.7 gigabytes. And everything is about 10 gigabytes. I'll do the DVD and I can get anything else. Now we'll make a new VM. New. I'm going to change it to a place where I have a lot of space. VirtualBox VMs. Go with the color theme. This will be red. CentOS 7.9 is downstream from Red Hat, so this is a good choice. Let's see what options we get for expert mode. Red. Off the bat, we can give it 4 gigs of memory. Create a virtual hard disk now. We'll give it 30 gigs. This is not critical, we can keep that. I'll do fixed size because I have the disk space and it'll be a little bit faster. Once the VM is created at runtime, it'll be faster to do fixed size. We will put the ISO that we just downloaded into the virtual disk drive. So do settings, storage, choose a disk file. It's in downloads, CentOS 7. Now start it. We're just going to do install. English. So this says when I click in this virtual machine, if I want to get back out to my host, I'll have to use the right control key on the keyboard. Fine. And we can say do not show this, capture, continue. Installation destination. We have to choose something here. I think this is a confusing interface. Now you have to click done in the upper left hand corner. Network and host name. I think it's a good idea to do this now as opposed to later. We'll give it a Mapley domain. Apply. We're going to turn the Ethernet on by default. This is something you'd have to do afterwards, which is pretty confusing. Software selection. We'll do GNOME desktop, GNOME applications, development tools, system administration tools. It says checking software dependencies, so I didn't actually have to do anything there. Begin installation. Okay, we can set the root password, user creation. I had to click done there twice because it was a weak password. CentOS is now successfully installed and ready for you to use. Go ahead and reboot to start using it. I'll accept the license. I believe this is what we set before, that Ethernet is on and the host name is red.mapley. Finish configuration. GNOME initial setup. We'll be able to set the resolution much higher after we install the extensions, which I'll do in a different video. As you can see here, my mouse is not going outside of the guest operating system. To get it out, I'll do right control key, and then I can get out.